Welcome, boys and girls, to our exciting phonics lesson on YouTube. I'm your host, Mr.D, and today we're going to have a blast exploring the letter S. Are you ready to learn some amazing things about this special letter? Let's get started. The letter S is an incredible letter that appears in so many words. It makes a special sound, just like a sneaky snake hissing. Can you hiss like a snake? Sss. Great job! Look at this picture of a snake. What letter do you see in the word snake? That's right, the letter S. Can you point to the letter S on the screen? Fantastic! Now let's practice building some words using the letter S. I'll say a word and you repeat it after me. Ready? The first word is sun. Can you say sun? Excellent! Let's move on to the next word. The second word is star. Can you say star? Fantastic job, everyone. You're doing great. Now, let's learn about some objects that start with the letter S. Are you ready? Here are some pictures of objects that start with the letter S. Take a look and see if you can guess what they are. Ready? What object do you see in this picture? That's right, it's a strawberry. Can you say strawberry? Wonderful. Let's move on to the next picture. What do you see in this picture? Yes, it's a soccer ball. Can you say soccer ball? You're doing fantastic. Let's try one more. What's in this picture? Yes, it's a sunflower. Can you say sunflower? Amazing! You all did an outstanding job guessing the object. You're all becoming amazing phonics experts. You've learned the sound of the letter S, built words with it, and even guessed objects that start with S. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Alright, thank you for joining us today for this phonics lesson on the letter S. Keep practicing and remember to like and subscribe for more fun educational videos.